Okay, we are going to go through the test questions. Okay, I hope you have a reflection. Okay, question one. Let's read the question. Okay, so John is at the start of his 100 meters sprint race, and he is at rest. And then at the firing of the starting gun, he accelerates for 4 seconds. And then up to the speed, and then in this period of time he traveled 19.2 seconds. Okay, so this is what we can see at rest. Vi equals to 0. Okay, and accelerate for 4 seconds, and travel distance for 19.2 meters. Okay, and question 1, they want to ask John's acceleration, so we want to find the A. Okay, based on this known and unknown. Okay, what equation are we going to choose? So I think it's quite straightforward because we have the distance, so we can use distance equals to VIT plus half AT square. Okay, so equation is this one, and then put the numbers in. Vi equals to 0, so you don't have to worry about this one. And what do we have? We have 19.2 meter equals to half A, and T is what? T is 4 seconds square. Okay, and now rearrange the formula. So A is here. I need to move this 2 to here, so that becomes acceleration is the subject, and we move 2 to the other side, so 19.2, and it's divided by 2, so we have times 2, and then we are going to move the 4 square to the other side, so divided by 4 square, and use the calculator. 19.2 times 2 divided by 16 is 2.4 meter per second. Okay, so this is question 1. And B, so calculate the speed. So we want to know the speed, okay, at this first 4 seconds. In the other word, we are going to find the final speed. Okay, so we want to know final speed. Vf equals to Vi plus At. Okay, and Vi is 0, we don't need to worry. Okay, and then A, we just get A is 2.4, and times for how long? Times for 4 seconds. So 2.4 times 4 is 9.6 meter per second. Okay, so this is the answer, 9.6 meter per second. Okay, acceleration 2.4 meter per second. John runs the rest of the race at a constant velocity. So this one is constant velocity. Okay, and the record time is 12.8 seconds. And what does that mean? So this is our 100 meter, and he start to here and accelerate to here, and then the rest here is constant speed. So the first one, we have constant acceleration. Second stage, we have constant velocity. Okay, and for here, first stage, they take 4 seconds, and the total time is 12.8 seconds. Okay, so what does that mean? This is our, so total time we have will be 12.8 minus 4 seconds. So the rest of the time is 8.8 seconds. And distance is how far? Okay, the total is 100 meters. And they told us at the beginning they travel 19.2 meters. So the rest is for how far? Okay, so distance will be 100 meter minus 19.2, which will be 80.8 meters. and we want to know the speed. It's a constant speed, not acceleration. Okay, so distance over time. Okay, 80.8 and 8.8 divided by 8.8, which will be 9.18 meter per second. Okay, and we can round it into two significant figures, which will be 9.2 meter per second. And the last question for D, John breaks the tape and then slow down from a speed to stop. And what does that mean? That means our VI is 8.8 meter per second, and to stop, final speed will be 0, okay, meter per second. And take for how long? Take time for 6 seconds. John ran while he was slowing down, so we want to know the distance. Okay, so we have initial speed, final speed, we have time, and we don't know acceleration. Okay, so what formula can we use? D equals to VI plus VF divided by 2 times time. And we can put the number in now. Okay, so 2, VI is 8.8, final is 0, and time is 6 seconds. So use our calculator, we can get the answer is 26.4 meters. Okay, meter for unit. I hope this is clear.